how to play Perfect by Ed Sheeran on key A flat, which is the original key, or G sharp. Right? Before you can use a new key to play a song, because I've been teaching on C all the while, for this lesson I'm going to be using the original key. You need to know the notes. There are 3 things you need to know before you use a particular key or scale to play a song. You need to know the notes in that scale. You need to know the chords, the primary chords in that scale basically, and then you need to know the inversions of those primary chords. Now when I say primary chords, I'm talking about Do, Fa, Sol, La. Those are the primary chords that are used in most songs, right? Now the first thing you need to know about a new scale is what? The notes. Now this is a Do, Re, Mi, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do. So that's it. The proper way of playing it is using your number 2 finger to start. You can slow it down to get it. So this is your Do, this is your Mi, and this is your Sol. And we all know that the Do major chord is formed by Do, Mi, Sol. You understand? So that's that. That's your Do chord. And there's one very important thing you should know. Among the 4 primary chords, 3 of them are always major, while 1 is always minor. This is basic music now, not advanced. In advanced music, they can be anything. They can be minor, they can be diminished. So for this level, Do is always major. And major means there are 3 notes between the first 2 fingers and 2 between the last 2. Minor means there are 2 between the first 2 fingers and 3 between the last 2. As you can see, this is 1, 2, 3 between the first 2 fingers, 1, 2 between the last 2. So that Do is major. The next is Fa. Do, Re, Mi, Fa. Fa is major as well. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's how you use your eyes to see it. If you are wondering how am I able to play this thing and I'm not missing my fingers, it's because before my hand drops, I picture 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 quickly. And after a while, you don't even have to picture it. Your hand just knows where to go to. Now for Sol, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Because Sol is major. But for La, La is minor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that's it. Your Do, your Fa, Sol. But the chords are too spaced. You have to use your chord inversions to bring them together. So this becomes our new Do. This becomes our Sol first inversion because we picked this from here. This Sol, root Sol. Do, Ti, La, Sol. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You see, I just brought this. There are 2 blacks. I brought this black and I picked it here, and it became my Sol first inversion. This is Fa first inversion. Pick this from here as well, and this is La root position. So we have Do, Sol, Fa. See, they are all in one place now. That makes playing easy. I hope you understand that. Now, on the left hand, you only have to use these 2 fingers if you have a big hand. But if you have a small hand, you use these 2. So big hand, you use 2 and 5. Small hand, you use 1 and 5. So this is your Do. This is your La. I'm pressing just 2 notes. This is your La. This. This is your Fa. This. And this is your Sol. That's if you have a small. If your hand is big enough, you can press Fa like this. You understand? Good. So the chord progression of this song, Perfect by Ed Sheeran, is Do, La, Fa, Sol. So it goes like this: Do, La, Fa, Sol. But in this case, you are hitting it 4 times. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I found a girl for me. just dive right and follow my lead. I found a girl, can you see it? Beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were not someone waiting for me. The same thing. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing lie. You got to it was. I will not give you. We're supposed to go to Saul, but the singer did something like this time. So for time, it went high. We can't go to Saul. We have to go to Do. This time. So instead of going to Saul directly, go to Do before we come back to Saul. Okay. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're mine. Now, this is where the chord progression changes. It changes from Do, La, Fa, Sol to La, Fa, Do, Sol, and the count changes to 2. So this is what happens. La, Fa, Do, Sol, 2, 2, not 4. So let me sing on that now. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you say we are supposed to go to La now, but because the song is ending, we go to Do. Tonight, we've been doing La, Fa, Do, Sol, La, right? But when the song wants to end, you do La, Fa, tonight. Man, there's this thing they do. You look perfect tonight. So it's am I missing it? Sorry, I'm missing something. La, so, fa, so. Okay, so it's hold on. That's it. That's how it ends. So it's you press your. What they did is Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa. If you know your skills, it's all Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Sol, Do. So this is Do. You arpeggio the last 2 notes. So these 2 fingers. You go to T. T here, So on your right hand, right? Take note on my left hand, T, I used just 1 note. I did not do this. That would sound awkward, so yeah. Then you go to your Sol. I'm hitting my thumb. I just arpeggiated. It's not necessary, but I just did it. That's this. Back to Sol. Then you end. Let me do it faster now. So that's how to play Perfect by Ed Sheeran on G flat, also known as G sharp. Please subscribe. I can't remember the name of the guy that asked me to make this video, but thanks for the suggestion. Bye.